Hello, this is John Bryden with Cat's Hat, a poetic pronunciation presentation for practice of the h and k sounds. So let's go. First, let's talk about the details of the pronunciation of these two sounds, h and k. The k sound is made by catching the airflow at the top of your throat, using the back of your tongue and then letting the air go. K. K. It's a little bit like the b sound, b, which also catches the air for a moment, but with the lips instead of the back of the tongue. The h sound is made lower down in the throat, using the vocal cords to limit the flow of air. You can see the location of the vocal cords in the diagram on the right. Usually the vocal cords are used to make sound, but in the case of the h sound, it's not really a sound at all. It's just a momentary narrowing of the flow of air in the throat. The English h sound is different from the Chinese sound represented by pinyin letter H. The Chinese H produces a vibration in the back of the throat, but the English H does not. The Chinese H is made high in the throat, close to the location for making a k sound, but the English H is made lower in the throat. That's why the English H doesn't make any vibration at the back of the throat. Here's some vocabulary. I'm going to tell you about some words that I'm going to use in the poem on the next page. I'll tell you how these words are going to be used in the poem, but their meanings may be different in other sentences. Headgear means anything that you wear on your head, such as a hat, turban or crown. Climate means the general weather conditions of a place, such as a tropical climate, a hot climate, a cool climate, and so on. Concur means agree. Conception means an idea or concept or mental model. Constantly means regularly without stopping, like the dripping of a tap, the constant dripping of a tap. Close at hand means nearby and easily available. If it's close at hand, you can get it easily when you want it. To stick, in this case, means to put. Stick the glass on the table, will you? Stick your hat on your head. Put your hat on your head. Crucially means very importantly, and consider, in this case, means believe. Sometimes consider means think about, but in this case we'll use it to mean believe. So here is the poem, Cat's Hat, which you can use to practice your pronunciation of the k and h sounds. Headgear is a key to comfort in hot climates. Clearly, Cat concurs with this conception. She thinks her hat helps her keep cool and comfortable. So Cat constantly keeps her hat close at hand. To stick quickly on her head if crucially required. Considering that with a cool head she can have a happy heart. Once again, more quickly. Headgear is a key to comfort in hot climates. Clearly, Kat concurs with this conception. She thinks her hat helps her keep cool and comfortable. So, Kat constantly keeps her hat close at hand, to stick quickly on her head if crucially required, considering that with a cool head she can have a happy heart. That's all for now. Thanks for listening.